Hello friends. This is the first day of our journey together. Welcome to the SoulSpark family, where every word inspires. If you want to learn English in a simple and emotional way, or if you love motivational stories that touch your heart, you're in the right place. Today, we will enjoy a short motivational story in easy English. And after that, we'll learn 10 useful words from the story. So grab your focus, relax your mind. Let's begin our journey with The Power of Small Steps. Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Sam. Sam dreamed of becoming a great runner. He loved watching athletes on TV. They were fast, focused, and successful. Sam wanted to be just like them. But there was a problem. Sam was not good at running. After just 1 minute, he would feel tired. His legs would hurt. He would breathe heavily. Maybe I'll never be good at this, he thought. Many times, he wanted to give up. One day, Sam's grandfather noticed he was sad. Grandpa said, "When I was your age, I was also weak and slow. But I didn't stop. I started walking, just a little. Then I walked more. Slowly, I began to run." Sam asked, "How did you become strong?" Grandpa smiled and said, "Not overnight. I just took small steps, every single day. That's the secret." Sam listened. He thought about it deeply. The next day, Sam decided to try again. He ran for just 1 minute. The day after that, 2 minutes. After 1 week, 5 minutes. After a month, 10 minutes. Every day, Sam pushed himself a little bit more. Slowly, he was getting stronger. One day, there was a school race. Sam joined it. He didn't win the race, but he finished it. He smiled. He felt proud. He was improving, and that made him happy. Sam realized something very important: success doesn't come in one night. It comes from small, daily efforts. Small steps lead to big change. Vocabulary. Now let's review some useful English words from the story. Repeat after me if you'd like. 1. Dreamed, to want something in the future. Example, I dreamed of becoming a teacher. 2. Athlete, a person who plays sports or runs. Example, Usain Bolt is a famous athlete. 3. Successful, doing well or achieving your goal. Example, she became successful after years of hard work. 4. Problem, something that is difficult or needs solving. Example, I had a problem with my phone, so I restarted it. 5. Give up, to stop trying. Example, never give up on your dreams. 6. Overnight, very fast, in one night. Example, real learning doesn't happen overnight. 7. Improve, to become better. Example, my English is improving every day. 8. Effort, hard work or energy used to do something. Example, with effort, anything is possible. 9. Confidence, belief in yourself. Example, speaking with confidence makes you look strong. 10. Journey, a long process or path toward a goal. Example, learning English is a journey, not a race. Try writing a sentence using any of these words in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this first video on SoulSpark English. If you liked this story and learned something today, don't forget to like the video, comment your favorite word, and subscribe to the channel to stay inspired. Write one sentence using your favorite word in the comments. I'll be reading them and giving hearts, red heart emoji, to the best ones. Let's grow together, one story, one word at a time. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep shining.